Viral recipe of one pot mac and cheese in air fryer oven. Just put macaroni, lots of cheese, chili flakes, salt, water and milk. Mix it well together and air fry it for 20 minutes. My air fryer oven has touch panel with 12 presets, so I don't have to worry about the temperatures anymore. So Solara air fryer oven has 360 degrees air circulation, comes with 9 additional accessories to grill, roast, bake, reheat and many more. It claims to be 100% less oil usage, being a healthier alternative for house parties. My cheesiest macaroni is all done. Comment link to purchase for low fat cooking.